Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Novitec Ferrari 812 Superfast and the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. These two incredible machines represent the pinnacle of naturally aspirated V12 performance, each offering a distinct driving experience. We will delve into their raw power, examine their design philosophies, and ultimately help you decide which of these automotive titans might be the better choice for your desires. Get ready for an exhilarating comparison. When it comes to sheer performance, both supercars deliver breathtaking numbers. The Novitec Ferrari 812 Superfast unleashes an astounding 840 horsepower and 554 pound-feet of torque from its 6.5-liter V12 engine. Meanwhile, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ counters with 759 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque from its equally impressive 6.5-liter V12. Both machines rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds, showcasing their incredible acceleration. Beyond the numbers, the driving experience diverges significantly. The Novitec 812 Superfast offers a more refined, yet incredibly potent grand touring experience, blending immense power with precise handling and a luxurious cabin. In contrast, the Aventador SVJ is a raw, visceral beast, designed for the track with its active aerodynamics and stiffer suspension, delivering an unfiltered connection to the road. Aesthetically, the Ferrari showcases flowing, elegant lines, while the Lamborghini boasts an aggressive, angular, and unmistakable presence. So, which one is better? The Novitec Ferrari 812 Superfast is arguably the more versatile choice, offering incredible performance with a touch more refinement and comfort for spirited road driving or even longer journeys. However, if your heart yearns for the most extreme, track-focused, and visually dramatic experience, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ stands supreme. Both are engineering marvels, but your ideal supercar depends entirely on whether you seek sophisticated power or unadulterated, track-ready aggression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.